Hi. So in the previous section, we have seen the three data types, okay? List, sets, and tuples. So now here we will learn about Python dictionaries. Dictionary. Python dictionary. Okay? Dictionaries are basically used to store data value in a key value type of format. Okay, so here what is the mean of key value? Means the certain headings are there. Let me show you it by an example. Just suppose you have a list. Okay, just a list of 1, 2, and 3. Okay, I am telling you the concept now, why we are using list and sets and all. So if you will draw a table, okay, so now the sets are like 1, 2, and 3. Triples are also like the same. Triples have also the same concept, only there are round brackets, right? But if you will use dictionary, the dictionary has one more thing, it have a heading. It have a heading. It have here also heading. This. Maybe it is A, B, C, like this. So this is the basic concept of dictionary, and the simple one is the list and tuple. Okay, and even the sets. I'll show you the basic concept of this all these things in a handwritten type of thing, because with the help of the mouse nobody can write, right? So I'll show you with a handwritten whiteboard. Maybe in the upcoming videos I'll tell you, so that it could you could understand it very clearly. Okay, so I told you about the data values which are in key pair, where we will use a dictionary. It is basic a collection of ordered. It is changeable also, but it do not allow duplicates. Okay, and the good thing you should understand that in the Python version 3.7 dictionaries are ordered, and if you will use the Python version earlier than 3.6, then dictionaries are unordered. Okay, nowadays we are using 3.11 now, so 3.6 is far uh, ago for this. Okay, and nobody is using 3.6 below 3.6 right now. So let me create a dictionary first. Okay, dictionary is basically written with curly brackets, as we are writing it in set, and they have a keys and a value. So here let's take an example. I'm using, let's say, dict1. Okay, it's a short form of dictionary. I'll use curly bracket, and here I'll give, let's say, brand. Okay, and brand is what? Brand is like Ford. Okay, then what is the model of this Ford? Let me take model. Then this basically is a heading, and this is the content. Okay, like this is the heading, this part is heading, and this part is content. So it is same like this part is heading and this is the content. We are writing the same thing. Okay, model, and then let's say eco sports. Okay, and now the third thing, let's say year. What is the year? Let's say is 2020. Okay, and we will close it with the same curly brackets. When I'll print this dict1, it is same. Okay, so this way you can use the content for making a dictionary. Okay, these dictionary items are ordered. These are changeable also, but they do not allow duplicate values. These items are now presented in a key value pairs. This is called the key. This is called the pair. Okay, and it can be referred by using their key name also. If you want to access the food, you can refer the brand. Okay, what I am telling you, let me copy this first. No, let me copy this one. Okay, like I want to print the brand value now of this dictionary. So what I'll do, for printing brand value, I will use here print, then the name of the dictionary, dict1, and then I'll use square brackets, because generally we use square brackets for referring the indexes. Okay, so you can write index here, you can write the brand value here. Means if I'll write here brand, because it is a key, I want to print Ford, so it is a key, right? So if I'll print this, you can see Ford is almost printed, right? And as I told you, before 3.7 version in Python, dictionaries are ordered, and now it is unordered. So when we say dictionaries are ordered, it means that item have a defined order. Okay, and order will not get changed. And here unordered means what? It means that the item does not have a defined order, and even you cannot refer the item by using an index number. Okay, and I told you dictionaries are changeable also. So what is its meaning? Its meaning that we can change, we can add, we can remove the dictionary item after the dictionary has been created, that we can't do in set. Okay, but here the duplicates are not allowed. Okay, duplicates are not allowed. Duplicates here is not about the pair, it's about the key. Dictionaries cannot have two items with the same key. That you should understand. Let me take an example. The brand is Ford, model is EcoSports, okay, year is 2020, and now let's say here again I'm taking a year. The same key, maybe the pair will different. Maybe it is 2010. You can do this, right? Or let's say 1990. Okay, so what if I'll run this print dict1? You can see it is not considering the key value. It is overwriting. It is overwriting through the last value. Okay, so duplicate value will override the existing value. This you must understand. It will take only one key. So don't try to give the duplicate values. Okay, if there are two keys of duplicate, then it will consider only one. Okay, hope you understood this thing. Now just suppose you want to know the length. You want to know the length of the dictionary. Len. I apologize for my spelling mistake actually. So for this, you can use the length function, the same dictionary I am taking right now. Okay, and what I'll do, I'll just print, then I'll use len, and with len I'll use dict1. I want to know the length of dict1. So it is 3. Here this is 3 because brand and Ford are the key pair, 1, 2 and 3. There are total 3 items, right? Like this. This is 1 pair, this is 2 pair, this is 3 pair. There are total 3 items. 3 items are there, right? So it is just simple. Don't get confused. And what about the data type? What data type a dictionary can contain? The data type a dict can contain. What all the data types? Look, the data types can be string, it can be integer, it can be boolean. All the data types a list or a dictionary can contain. Okay, you can even give them it to a list. Let me show you how to do this. Dictionary, right? Ford. Let's say there is let me use a different data type here. Let it be, and let's say it is asking it is electric or not. Okay, so here I am taking a boolean value. No, it is not electric. FALSE, false. It is false. Okay, so false will be considered in. Okay, now it is a boolean value. Now year will be 2020, so it is an integer value, so we will keep this in without curly brackets, without inverted comma. And let me show you one more example. Just suppose you have a color option. Okay, so what are all the option I can give? So here I can use a list of different. Let me take red. Okay, I can use white also, and even I can use blue. No, in the inverted comma, it is a string. Okay, so like this we can, if I'll print this dict1, now you can see it clearly. Brand and Ford is a string, electric and false is a boolean value, year is a integer, and it is a list. Even you can take a different data type in between the this dictionary. Let me write it down here. Contain what? Integer. It can contain the string, it can contain the boolean, and even it can contain the list. Okay, here it is the example of list. List is used in between the square brackets, right? And what if you want to know the type of the dictionary? So this is the same example. Okay, I want to know the type of the dictionary, so I'll just print type, and I'll print here dict1. If I'll run this, its class is dictionary now. So by this way you can get the type of a dictionary. Okay, and here also we have a dict constructor. You have seen the constructor in every data type, so we have a dict constructor also, constructor. Okay, it is same. Let's say let me take different example. Let me take dictionary 2. Okay, here for making a dictionary by different way we can use dict. Okay, dict is a constructor. Now we will use a round bracket. Now we will use the name without inverted comma. Okay, equal to, let's write Sharad here. Let's say its age is equal to, let's say 36. Okay, now let's say country without inverted comma. The country in which I'm living is now Dubai. Okay, and okay, this much is sufficient, I think. So if you will print this DICT2, then it is printed, and you can see it is now printed in curly brackets, means it is a dictionary with a key and pair. With a key and pair you can easily judge it is a dictionary, and with the this curly brackets, even if you want to confirm, then you can just get the type of it, whether it is a dictionary or something else. If you run this, you can see the class is dictionary. Okay, so these are the basic concept behind the dictionary, and I want to recommend one more thing. When you choose a collection type, whether it is a list, a set, a dictionary, or the tuple, just use it or choose it very carefully after understanding the property of the type. Choose the right type for a particular data set, because it could mean the retention of the meaning, and it could mean an increase of efficiency or a security also. So first try to know what is your data type, what type of data you are dealing with, and then choose the data type accordingly. You can use set, you can use list, you can use dictionary, you can use tuple. Okay, so hope you understood the concept behind the dictionaries. Okay, we have seen certain things as an introduction of dictionaries. Okay, so now in the next chapter we will see how to access the dictionaries items. Okay, so that's all for this section. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.